Hello.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಾ
ಹಲೋ
ಹಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
You can write this problem. Solve solve 2x plus 4y plus z is equal to -7. X minus 3y
Yes.
minus 2z is equal to -1. 3x plus 9y plus z is equal to 6. You can read the problem what you have written so that I will check up.
2x plus 4y plus z is equal to -7.
Ah,
X minus 3y minus 2z is equal to -1.
ah,
3x plus 9y plus z is equal to 6.
ah, okay. Now, this problem, we have done this type of problem using determinants.
Yes, sir.
Now, we will do this using matrices.
Okay.
For that, you have to rewrite this given equations in matrix form.
Okay, sir.
That means it will be like A into B equal to C. So A is 3 by 3, which is the 3 variables that are given there. B is a 3 by 1 and C is a 3 by 1.
Yes, sir.
So you can write this one. Rewrite given equation in matrix form. Matrix A into matrix B is equal to matrix C.
Matrix A.
Matrix A into matrix B is equal to matrix C. Now A contains size 3 by 3, which are the coefficients of the X, Y, Z variables.
Yes, sir.
Matrix C is the constant numbers on the right hand side of the equal to sign, which will be a 3 by 1 matrix, that is 3 rows and 1 column.
Okay, sir.
B is 3 by 1 matrix. It will contain the names of the variables. In this problem, X, Y, Z as a column. So if you write like that, you can see this 3 and this 3 are equal. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
That means number of columns of the matrix A is equal to number of rows of the matrix B. So result will be 3 by 1 matrix, which is this 3 by 1 is that C.
Okay, sir.
Now it can be written like this. Write it this way. Matrix A into matrix B equal to matrix C. A contains coefficients of X, Y, Z. So for writing this, first we must have all the X coming in one column, all the Y coming
Yes,
in
sir.
another column, all the Z's coming in another column.
Okay, sir.
So if necessary, you have to rearrange if it is not given in the order. Can you see the screen? Screen is
Sir.
visible. So matrix A contains coefficients of X, Y, Z.
Yes, sir.
Matrix
Hello.
B is the variables X, Y, Z. That is, X is the variable in the first column, Y is the variable in the second column, Z is the
Yes,
variable in
sir.
the third column, equal to matrix C that contains -7, -1, 6. Now, by multiplying this, we get the first equation. You see, 2 into X plus 4 into Y plus 1 into Z is equal to this -7. Can you
Okay.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, this 1 into X minus 3 into Y minus 2 into Z is equal to -1.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 into X plus 9 into Y plus 1 into Z is equal to 6. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So, if equations are given, you can write it in this matrix form like this. Or if matrix form is given, you can write the equations backwards also. Is it not?
Yeah.
Ah. Now it has become like matrix A into matrix B equal to matrix C.
Yes, sir. Hello.
ಹಾ ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಬರೀ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾಂ,
ಈಗ
ಇವಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ,
ಸೊ A into B is equal to C ಇದೆ. Now we have to write what is B equal to, because B is our XYZ. So B, matrix B is XYZ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
A is this one, 2 4 1 1 minus 3 minus 2 3 9 1.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ,
Now C is minus 7 minus 1 minus 6. So to find XYZ means we have to find the matrix B.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So A into B is equal to C was there. Now B can be written as A inverse C.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
This A inverse how to find, we have already learned the last 2 classes. Is it not?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So once we write B is equal to A inverse into C, we can determine B by knowing what is A inverse.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So A is the size of that matrix that we have taken, which is A. So A is 3 by 3. So A inverse also will have the 3 by 3 size. C is 3 by 1. So when you multiply these two, these 3 are same. These 3 and 3 are same. So result is this 3 by this 1. So we get this 3 by 1. So now you have to find the A inverse.
ಎಸ್.
So given A as matrix, to find A inverse, what we'll do?
We should find out first determinant of A.
Correct. You find out that one.
And again we should write alpha, and then
Yeah.
should find
First you do this one. Step by step you will do.
Sorry.
You know the steps how to find the determinant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. How much you got?
So I'm doing it. ಏನಾಯ್ತು
ಯಾಕೆ
ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನೀವೇನೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಸಡನ್.
ಏನೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ. Now, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
So what you are doing, if you tell loudly, I can hear what you are doing.
Okay. 9 minus 2. 9 into minus 2. 4 plus 4. 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2.
How much you got?
Sir, last step is on the ನಿಮಿಷ. Sir, 14 answer.
Wrong.
ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್.
Even practice several times, I told you, but if you don't do, it will happen.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅಂದು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 into minus 3 into 1 minus 9 into minus 2 flower bracket goes plus 4 into 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 close the flower bracket minus 1 into open the flower bracket 1 into 9 minus 3 into minus 3.
Why minus?
ಸರ್ ಇದು 4 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ minus 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
That is okay. But what is the third term?
1 into 9 minus 3 into minus 3.
You tell me from the beginning.
2 into minus 3 into 1 ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
Hello? Tell me.
2 into minus 3 into 1 minus 9 into minus 2 plus 4 into plus 4 into
why plus?
Sir, plus ತಾನೆ ಸರ್?
That means you have forgotten how to expand the determinants.
Sir, no sir, correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ.
We did so many classes, determinants, extra classes we have done. And this matrices we repeated yesterday and the other day, 2 days. So many times you have done the expansion of determinants. So yesterday I gave you some homework problems also to practice. That means you are not practicing at all. Okay?
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Then how to expand the determinant if you have done?
A determinant is equal to 2 into minus 3 9 minus 2
First
1.
First you write the determinant A equal to.
Yes sir, I have
You
written.
take a fresh page.
Yes sir. Oh sir.
Write determinant A equal to the 2 4 1 1 minus 3 minus 2 3 9 1.
A determinant is equal to 2 minus 3 9 minus 2 1 minus 4 into 1 3 minus 2 1 plus 1 into 1 3 minus 3 9.
Okay.
2 into minus 3 into 1 minus 9 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 4 into 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 into plus 1 into 1 into 9 minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to.
You are using the brackets for the number?
Yes sir.
Then
2 into minus 3 minus of minus 18, close the bracket, minus 4 into 1 minus of minus 6, close the bracket, minus 1 into 9 minus of minus 9 is equal to 2 into 15 minus 4 into minus 4 into 7 minus 1 into plus 1 into 18 30 plus 30 minus 28 plus 18. Now sir.
So you are making lot of mistakes, that's why you keep on giving so many answers. After so many classes.
ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನಾನು -4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದು 2 4 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳವ -4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ದು.
ಅದೇ you should not do that one, otherwise you will be solving
ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Because what happens, question paper some problem is there, you will note down some other problem and solve, then you will not be answering the question given in the question paper. So writing down the problem correctly is very very important, then only further things can be done. Okay.
20.
Now the next step is
alpha.
You got the steps like this?
Yes, sir.
If you got 20, that means you got correct.
Yes, sir.
Now find the cofactor matrix of A. You remember how to find the cofactors matrix of A?
Yes,
Please
sir.
please do it. You must write down the problem correctly, then only whatever
Yes,
you
sir.
do further will be okay. Otherwise, if problem is itself you have not correctly noted down, you'll get the answer for a different problem.
Alpha 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. So it's even number. Minus 3, 9, minus 2, 1. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 9 into minus 2, minus 18. Minus 3 minus of minus 3 minus of minus 18.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ.
So the answer is 15, sir.
Correct.
Alpha 1, 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 2.
Not into. It is to the
1
power.
plus 1
To the
plus
power.
2. Power, sorry.
To the power, not into.
Thank you. So it's minus sign. One 3 minus 2 1. One 1 is 1. Minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Sir, 7 answer.
No.
Minus 5, sir.
No.
Minus 7.
That means how many times you want to get the chance?
ಸರ್ 18 ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಆಲ್ಫಾ 13.
ಹಾ,
ಆಲ್ಫಾ 13
ನೋ ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್.
-18. ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ.
You do correctly and tell me quickly so that we can continue the further problems, is it not? Otherwise doing one problem itself will be
ಸರ್ 13 ಆನ್ಸರ್.
huh?
ಸಾರಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. 4 - 9 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Which one?
ಆಲ್ಫಾ 11, ಆಲ್ಫಾ 14,
Huh?
ಆಲ್ಫಾ 21 ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ಫಾ 21.
Alpha 21 is okay.
Yeah.
What about alpha 13?
-18.
No, wrong.
+18 ಸರ್.
See, you apply the rules of multiplication.
ಸರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಸರ್, ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
No, see, determinant, if you have not learned expansion of determinant after so many classes, what can we do now?
1 9s 9 ಸರ್.
Huh?
ಆಲ್ಫಾ 13 ಸರ್. -1 to the power of 1 + 3.
Use the procedure and calculate. Let us say this. It is only 2 terms only, no?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 + 3 ಪವರು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟು 1 3 - 3 9. ಸೊ +1 ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. +1 ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ. +1 -1 ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ -1 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ +1 ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸರ್? ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಈವನ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ.
alpha 13 means what you have done?
Alpha 13 is equal to -1 to the power of 1 + 3 is equal to 1 into.
Not is equal to.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
ನೋ. See, -1 to the
-1 ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
See, alpha 13 is -1 to the power of 1 + 3.
Yes sir.
Then what will you write? You write equal to there?
ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ
ಸರ್? ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ
ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 3 - 3 9. 1 3 -3 9 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? is equal to
ಹಾ
1 9s are 9
ಹಾ
ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ.
ಹಾ
3 minus 3 is minus 9.
ಹಾ
So 9 minus of minus 9.
ಹಾ
Sir.
ಹಾ
9 minus of minus 9 is 18.
ಹಾ
So plus 1 into 18 plus ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆನೆ.
ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
That's why when you make mistake, don't go for correcting that paper. You leave it aside, take a fresh sheet of paper and do it, then you will be able to do correctly.
Sir, alpha 21 minus 5 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
No. That means you write the problem fresh and do it. Otherwise, you will not learn at all. Because correcting
Alpha
the problem,
21. Alpha 21 is equal to
correcting the problem is very difficult.
Yes,
if you do fresh,
sir, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. Alpha 21 is equal to
fresh, careful again write the problem, then do the multiplication, subtraction, addition, etc. Then you will get the answer. Otherwise, you will not get it.
Alpha 21 is equal to minus 1 into to the power of 2 plus 1. That's odd number, so the sign will be minus, negative. Determinant 4191. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ see, because
4 1s are 4 ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1 9s are 9. 4 minus 9. Minus 13, sir?
You keep doing. At the end, you will check up every step. We don't have to check, so that we will know how many right, how many wrong you will get.
Minus 13. Alpha 2.
So how far you have come?
Sir, I mean alpha 33.
While doing the problem, if you tell louder, I can hear what you are doing.
Yes, sir. 3, 3. 2, 1, 4 minus 3. 2, 3 is 6. Minus 6 minus 1 into 4. 4. Sir, ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
How much you got?
Alpha 1 1 15. Alpha 1 2 minus 7. Alpha 1 3 18. Alpha 2 1 5. Alpha 2 2 minus 1. Alpha 2 3 minus 5. One minute, sir. Minus 1 into
Tell the next ones also, so that I will know how many are right now.
1 minute. 2. Sir, minus 6 sir ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ 3 1 minus 5. Alpha 3 2 plus 5. Alpha 3 3 minus 10.
Correct. So right, what is alpha is equal to? Matrix alpha equal to?
Therefore, matrix alpha is equal to -15 minus 7 18 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 5 5 minus 10. Sir, I wrote it. Now we should find out adjacent of A, matrix A.
Adjacent alla, adjoint.
Adjoint, sir.
Adjoint of matrix A.
Matrix A.
How will you find?
A adjoint of matrix A is equal to first we should write the column, the rows as column. 15 minus 7 18 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 5 5 minus 10.
Now what is the next step?
A inverse is equal to
Huh?
adjacent matrix
adjacent
adjoint of
alla.
matrix A, adjoint sir, ಅದು familiar word ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Adjoint of matrix A divided by determinant A.
Determinant of matrix A.
Equal to 15 minus 7 18 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 5 5 minus 10 divided by 20. So A inverse is equal to 15 by 20 is 0.75. Minus 7 divided by 20 is minus 0.35. 18 divided by 20 is 0.9. 5 divided by 20 is 0.25. Minus 1 divided by 20 is minus 0.05. Minus 6 divided by 20 is minus 0.3. Minus 5 divided by 20 is minus 5 divided by 20 is minus 0.25. Then again 0.25. Minus 0.5. So we should find out B is equal to matrix B is equal to matrix A into matrix A inverse. Matrix B is equal to matrix A into matrix A inverse.
No. You see here on the screen.
A inverse.
No, see on the screen. Matrix B is A inverse multiplied by C.
Right. A into C.
Not A inverse.
A inverse, yeah.
So B is what we want to find. A inverse we have determined just now. And C is the constant column on the right side of the equal to sign in the given equation.
Yes, sir.
So write it like that. So first step, you write B is equal to A inverse into C, matrix C.
Yes, sir, I wrote it.
Then you write below that, instead of B, we will write the XYZ. See what is the B matrix here in the screen?
Minus 7, minus 1, minus 6.
That is C.
XYZ, yeah.
B is XYZ.
Yeah.
So instead of B, below that you write matrix XYZ equal to A inverse into matrix C. Instead of matrix C, you write that constant column.
For matrix A inverse also we should write the
Matrix
numeral.
inverse you have found just now. You have found,
Yeah.
That is what you have to write.
0.75 minus 0.35, 0.9. Minus 7, minus 1, 6.
So now you know how to multiply, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So you write x is equal to, see, look at the screen.
Yes, sir.
You write x is equal to, see, this x is equal to this one into this one plus this and this plus this one multiplied by this one. That is how you multiply the matrices.
Yes, sir.
Here you go from left to right. Here you will come from top to bottom. Corresponding items multiply and add algebraically. That is taking sign into consideration. You will get that x. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
second row and this first column you get the y. Then third row and the first column you will get the z. So calculate it.
So x is equal to 0.75 into minus 7 plus 0.25 into minus 1 plus minus 0.25 into 6 minus 5.25
continue. Let us see at the end.
0.25 into minus 1 minus 0.25 plus minus 1.5 equal to minus 5.25 plus minus 0.25 plus minus 1.5. Sir, minus 7 answer.
Continue ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Let us see.
So y is equal to minus 0.35 into minus 7 plus minus 0.05 into minus 1 plus 0.25 into 6. ಸರ್ ವೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, you finish it both all the three, then we will know how many right, how many wrong.
ನಮ್ಗೆ 4 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಪ್ಪಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸರ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್.
Now what are the answers you got?
X is equal to -7, y is equal to 4, z is equal to -9.
Now you know how to check the answers, is it not?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಚೆಕ್, ಅದೇ ಇದನ್ನ
write down the given equations.
ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. RHS LHS.
Given equations you write down once again. Take one equation at a time and substitute the value of the XYZ what you have got, so that we will know what you will get when substituted and simplified.
Okay.
What is the first equation?
2x plus 4y plus z is equal to -7. X minus 3y plus minus 2z is equal to -1. 3x plus 9y plus z is equal to 6. So LHS is equal to 2 into -7 plus 4 into 4 plus 1 into 9 minus 9 is equal to 7 minus 14 plus 16 plus -7 sir answer. RHS. LHS is equal to 1 into -7 minus 3 into 4 minus 2 into -9 equal to -7 minus 3 into 4 -1 sir answer. LHS is equal to 1 into or 3 into -7 plus 9 into 4 plus 1 into -9 ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
But previous steps, what you have calculated for XYZ, tell me what you have got for XYZ earlier.
-7x.
Alla, previous steps alle
you
have calculated what is x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to. Go to the step and tell me what you have written the answer there.
X is equal to 0.75 into -7.
Alla, ಅದು afterwards.
Minus 5.25 plus.
No. After that one, that is, you have calculated x is equal to, after multiplying the A inverse with C. After multiplying after multiplying the A inverse matrix with C, you have written x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
What you have written, you tell me there.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, tell me what you have written there, you tell me. Previous step, not this step.
Previous sum da.
ಅಲ್ಲ, say that XYZ matrix is equal to A inverse into C, you have written. There, next, you have written x is equal to something. Then we have found y is equal to something, z is equal to something. You tell me what you got the answer there.
ಅದೇ A inverse into C ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
There, how much you got for
0.75 minus 0.35 0.9 0.25 minus 0.05 minus 0.3 minus 0.25 0.25 minus 0.5.
Then that you are multiplying with the.
Sir, what sir?
This one, what you got, you are multiplying with matrix C.
Yes, sir.
After multiplying, what you got?
After multiplying.
You multiply this with the matrix C. Matrix C is
-7 -1 6.
Correct. So now after multiplying, you are writing x is equal to, is it not?
Yes, sir.
How much is that you got? Tell me.
Answers ಹೇಳೋದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
What you got for x? What you got?
-7.
What you got for y?
4.
What you got for z?
-9.
-9. But earlier you told something different, is it not?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, -5 ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ.
ಸರಿ, ಅದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ 33 ಆಲ್ಫಾ 21 ಹೇಳಿದಿತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಅದು -5 ಅಂತ.
Okay. Anyway, so now you got the answer checked, is it not?
Yes sir.
That means if you do the problem, if you check the answer at the end, if it matches, that means your calculations are right. Otherwise, it will be wrong only.
Yeah.
You're able to follow?
Yes sir.
Now, you write the answer like this. Given this problem, write the problem, then you write solution is equal to this.
Given is equal to
Given is equal to given that problem.
ಅದೇ 2x plus 4y plus z is equal to -7. X minus 3y minus 2z is equal to -1. 3x plus 9y plus z is equal to 6. Solution is x, y, z. X is equal to -7, y is equal to 4, z is equal to -9.
Like this you have to write. Okay?
Okay.
You have followed now?
Yes sir.
So there are 2 steps extra. First, we write the equations in the matrix form.
Yes sir.
Then find A inverse by the method what you have already learned.
And again in the last you should check it.
Last, you will again multiply the results A inverse into C, you get the XYZ values, and check that substituting in the given equation whether you get the answer on the right hand side or not.
Yes sir.
Now you take this problem. X plus y plus z equal to 3. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4.
Yes sir.
X plus 4y plus 9z equal to 6.
Yes sir.
Can you do it without making mistakes now?
Yes sir, I will do it.
All the steps. So please carefully do it so that at the end if the answer matches, that means you are right. Otherwise, still you have difficulty in multiplying, substitution, division, etc., subtraction and other things.
I will do it sir.
Yeah, do it.
So matrix A is equal to
like that. Tell louder and do it so that I will know what you will be doing.
1.
But I will ask you only at the end, so
Okay.
that you will get the answer yourself correctly without anybody telling.
Yes sir. 1 3 9 x y z is equal to 3 4 6. A inverse into B is equal to C inverse. A matrix into B is equal to C matrix. So we should find the determinant. A determinant is equal to 1 into 2439 minus 1 into 1139 plus 1 into 1124. A matrix is equal to A determinant is equal to 1 into 2 into 9 minus 4 into 3 minus 1 into 9 minus 3 into 1 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 1 into 2 2 9s are 18 18 minus 12 minus 1 into 2 9s are 9 minus 1 into 3 in 3 plus 1 into 1 4s are 4 minus 2 1 into 18 minus 12 is 6 minus 1 into 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 1 into 4 minus 2 is 2. One 6 are 6 minus 6 plus 2 6 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 2. So A determinant is 2. Next we should find alpha. Let alpha is equal to alpha 1 1 alpha 1 2 alpha 1 3 alpha 2 1 alpha 2 2 alpha 2 3 alpha 3 1 alpha 3 2 alpha 3 3. Alpha 1 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's E1. Two 4 3 9 2 9s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12 alpha 12 is equal to minus 1 into 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 1139 1 9s are 9 minus 1 3s are 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 4 1124 1 into 2 plus 1 minus 5 alpha 22 is equal to minus 1 into 2 plus 2 alpha 31 is equal to ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ,
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಹಾಂ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹ್ಞೂ,
ಸರಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹ್ಞೂ,
ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾಂ,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಡೂ
ಹಾ,
ಇಟ್.
ಅದೇ
At the end we will check what is the answer.
ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
3 RHS, 4 RHS, 6 RHS.
ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್?
3, 4, 6.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು
X 2,
ಹಾಂ,
Y 1, Z 0.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ?
ಹಾಂ.
So if you don't get the answer, that means somewhere mistake is there, then you have to do the things repeatedly again.
Yes, sir.
So you can take some problem for homework. ಈಗ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತು.
You have learned the method now?
Yes, sir.
You got A inverse is equal to like this?
Yes, sir. 3 minus 2.5, 0.5, minus 3, 4 minus 1, 1 minus 1.5, 0.5. Correct, sir.
So you write a given problem and then write the solution.
I have written, sir.
Very good. Now you have checked that also.
Yes, sir.
Now you take this problem. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. It is given here. If possible, solve.
Okay.
X plus y plus z is equal to 2. 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
X plus y plus 2z is equal to 5. This is the one problem. You take another one. You have written this problem.
Yes, sir.
You take another problem. X plus 4y plus 3z equal to 1. X plus 4y plus 3z equal to 1. 2x plus 5y plus 4z equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
X minus 3y minus 2z equal to 5. This is also, if possible, solve.
Okay.
Another problem. X plus y plus z is equal to 8.
X minus y plus
X
2z
minus
is equal to 6.
Plus 2z is equal to 6. 3x
3x
plus 5y minus
minus
7z equal to 14. Then another problem I will do. 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 8. Minus x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
One more. 4x minus 5y plus z is equal to 2. 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 9. X plus 4y plus z is equal to 5. You are able to write?
Yes, sir.
Then another one, 4x minus 2y plus 6z equal to 8.
Yes, sir.
4x minus 2y plus 6z is equal to 8. X plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 1. 15x minus 3y plus 9z is equal to 21.
Okay, sir.
Then one more, x minus y plus z is equal to 4. X plus y minus z is equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 6.
Okay.
So please work these problems from beginning to end. At the end, you will know whether what you got the answers are right and method you
Yes.
have done is correct.
Yes, sir.
If doesn't match at the end, that means somewhere mistake is there.
Yes, sir. I will do it. We
So
should rewrite it.
yeah, it is difficult to identify the mistake. It will take more time. So
Yes,
you
sir.
solve the problem once again. If you
Yeah.
do that, it will cover all the exercises and determinants and matrices.
Okay, sir.
Now here, the question is I have written, if possible, solve.
Yeah.
That means some problems you may not be able to solve also.
Yeah. Means
How to
if
find
we
that?
check it,
No, we cannot go proceed further at all. See, you are finding the determinant, is it not?
yeah.
Then, when you find the adjoint, what will you do? Adjoint of
We
matrix.
should divide it by determinant.
So, if the
Yeah.
determinant is 0, what will happen?
Determinant is 0, then we can't go further.
You can't divide by 0 because it will give indeterminate value.
Yes, sir.
So, first step when you find the determinant, if the value of determinant comes 0, then that problem we cannot solve.
Yeah.
If determinant is either positive number or negative number, then you can solve.
Yeah.
But generally, when they give like that, it will be such a way that you will have to do it completely. You will be able
Sir,
to
we
get.
can solve in plus 0, minus 0 if it's there.
No,
No, sir.
no. If determinant value comes 0, because you have to divide at the
You
end
can't.
by 0,
Yeah.
which is not meaningful in mathematics.
Yeah.
So we call that as something like
Indeterminate.
it depends on the whatever as the numerator will be there. If numerator is a positive negative number, then
Yes, sir.
divided by 0 will give infinity.
Yes,
If
sir.
numerator is 0, 0 by 0 becomes indeterminate.
Yeah.
So therefore, those problems we cannot solve. So that you have to write there.
Okay, sir.
But generally, the determinant will not become 0 because without doing, you cannot get the same marks. Marks given
Yes, sir.
for completely solving is different from just checking whether it is possible or not. So,
Yes, sir.
if it is for checking purposes, possible or not, so they will give less marks. Then it is possible you may get either 0 or negative or positive.
Yes, sir.
But solve means you have to go up to the end and do the checking and satisfy that the answers you have got is matching the given equations.
Yes, sir.
So please solve these problems. Take more time, no problem in the beginning. But
Yes,
once
sir.
you understand the sequence and operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, taking care of the plus minus signs,
Yes, sir.
then you will not be able to make mistakes.
Yeah.
So in the beginning, possible that 1 or 2 places you may make mistakes. So at the end, it will not match the given answers. So,
Yes,
but practice it repeatedly so that you will become familiar how to use the calculator also. Because
Yes,
simply entering numbers in the calculator will not give the correct answer. You must know how to enter the values also. That means that calculator will come with a user's manual.
Yes, sir.
If you go through the user's manual, he will tell you how to operate the calculator.
Yes, sir.
So you have to use a correct method of entering the numbers and operations in the calculator so that you get the required result. Otherwise, what it gives will be different. The sequence of how to press the different buttons, that you have to learn from the operating instructions given in the user's manual.
Okay, sir.
So please practice all this, then you can continue tomorrow.
Okay.
But sit and work, it will take time in the beginning. but unless you practice, it will not be useful. Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow class is there, no, sir?
Yeah, it will be there.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you please practice it. Only if the internet problem or anything is there, it will be difficult.
Okay.
Today, more or less, it was okay, except on 2 times there was some problem. But afterwards, it became all right, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So sometimes it happens. Then we have to try whether we can reconnect it, and not possible only, the difficulty comes. So generally, there will not be problem. But sometimes it happens, like it happened 1 or 2 times today also.
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes.
but otherwise it will be all right.
Okay.
Okay. So please practice so that we can continue tomorrow. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.